shows a stranger's eyes. I lean into the metal wall, feel the building's hidden size. Every floor counts down too loud, echoes twist inside the crowd. I'm racing through electric rain, hearts sink to the subway strain. Your pulse rides every passing train, a frequency I can't contain. The city screams but won't explain, just pulls me deeper past all pain.